Good afternoon, Lana. It's Corky Hurd. I'm at Tameron Hyundai in Birmingham. I'd like to thank you for your inquiry. You inquired about the all-wheel drive Santa Fe Sport. We happen to have a couple in the lot here. This particular one, you can see it's very nicely equipped. With the package this has, you got the perimeter key entry, so you'll get that push button start. This one has a leather interior throughout. Plenty of room in the back seat for three to sit. Good cargo area beyond that. Up here in the front, you've got the power seats on both sides. You've got the cruise control buttons over here on your steering wheel, your Bluetooth connections. You can control all your radio controls here too. Scroll through the back panel options using these buttons. In the middle there, that's a multimedia screen, a touch screen to control all that. Converts to a backup camera when you put it in reverse. This one has heated seats as well. And also, all of our cars are equipped with America's Best warranty. It's a 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. As a dealer, we double it, 20-year, 200,000. We've got a 5-year, 60,000 mile comprehensive warranty. Again, my name's Corky Hurd. This is Tameron Hyundai in Hoover. You can reach me direct at 205-337-8139. Through the operators, 205-380-6250. Lana, give me a call. It's Corky Hurd. We can get together, maybe we can get you in one of these all-wheel drive Santa Fe's. Thanks again.